Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how to draw the given 2D sketch in Creo Parametric software. Okay, first you can delete this previous sketch, otherwise open new sketcher file. Uh, First I'm going to construct this vertical construction line and a horizontal construction line with the help of this line chain tool. Draw one vertical line, then draw the one horizontal line. Now exit from the tool by using mouse middle button, then give the dimension. This vertical center line length is 86 minus 14. You can edit this dimension, double click on this dimension, 86 minus 14, enter. Then this horizontal center line length is 28. Now edit this dimension, this length is 28, enter. Now you can convert these two lines into construction lines. So select that vertical line with the help of mouse left button and choose construction line. Similarly, select this horizontal line and choose construction line. Okay, after this you need to construct these inner circles. This inner circle, these three inner circle diameters are 16 mm. With the help of circle tool, okay, draw one circle here. Similarly, you can construct remain two circles uh, up to uh, it showing the constant symbol, that is equal symbol. Then draw one more circle here up to it showing equal symbol. Equal symbol means that is the constraint. Now exit from that tool with the help of mouse middle button. Now you can give the dimension, double click on this dimension. This diameter is 16 mm. When you are giving this dimension, immediately remaining two circles diameters also changed. This is the use of constraints in Creo Parametric software. After this, you need to construct these three curves with the help of circle tool. From the center, draw one circle here. Similarly, you can construct remaining two circles to remaining two center points, second one and third one, up to it's showing the equal symbol. Then exit from this tool with the help of mouse middle button, then give the dimension here. This curve radius is 14. That means 3 into R14 means these three curves are equal to radius 14. So I am taking diameter 28 to 8, enter. Okay, after this draw one vertical line with the help of this line chain tool. From this quadrant, draw the one vertical line. Now exit from this tool, then draw the horizontal line from these two quadrants. Now click mouse middle button, then draw the remaining shape with the help of this same tool, that is line chain tool. From this quadrant, draw vertical line, then draw the inclined line, then draw the vertical line, then draw the horizontal line. Then exit from this tool, then draw one vertical line from this quadrant to this line. Now exit from this tool. Okay, after this you need to give the dimension. So this vertical edge dimension is 28 minus 14. That means 14 length, 14, enter. Then give the dimension to this slant edge. So you can give the dimension to this end point to horizontal line. With the help of this dimension tool, select this end point and select horizontal line. Now click mouse middle button here. That height is 58. 58, enter. After this you need to give the dimension to this horizontal line and the bottom horizontal line. This gap is 72. So select this horizontal line and base horizontal line. Click mouse middle button here. That is 72, enter. Next, after this you need to apply the circular trim to these two corners. So I'm selecting this one, circular trim. Select this edge and this edge. This radius is 5 mm. Now double click on this option, enter 5, enter. Then also apply the circular trim to this vertical edge and this horizontal edge. This is also radius 5 mm. 5, enter. Now remove the unwanted curves by using delete segment. You can delete these two curves, delete these curves also. You can also delete these two curves. Here the one small correction is this value is more than 38. That is not equal to 38. That is more than, you can take more than 38. Then only you can draw these two arcs. That is radius 5 mm. Otherwise you will not draw these arcs with the radius 5 mm. Okay, okay, this is the final sketch. This is the way to you can construct any type of 2D sketches, any type of complicated curve sketches in Creo Parametric very easily. I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.